Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today's topic is It is never too late.
And honestly, that sentence has saved many people from quitting too early.
Yes, because many times we don't really know it is too late.
We just feel late because someone else is already good.
Exactly. You see someone playing guitar at school and your brain says, well, I missed the train.
As if the guitar train only leaves once in life.
But that feeling is real.
Very real. You compare your first day with someone else's 5 years.
And of course, your first day looks messy.
It should look messy. That is why it is called the beginning.
I remember seeing people who were good at something and thinking, I should have started earlier.
I get that, but we don't see their awkward first attempts.
We see the result, not the practice.
We see the nice music, not the painful noise from year one.
Yes, the neighbors probably remember year one.
Poor neighbors. They were part of the training program.
But after 2 or 3 years, everything can look different.
Someone who starts today can become the person others admire later.
And this pattern happens everywhere.
At school, it may be music.
At university, it may be electronics.
At work, it may be a new skill.
Later in life, it may be a completely new career.
The situation changes, but the thought is the same. I am late.
Sometimes too late is just fear wearing a smart jacket.
Nice line. The mind says, I am too late, when it really means, I am scared to start.
Starting feels uncomfortable because we have to be beginners again.
And nobody enjoys looking confused in public.
But being a beginner is not embarrassing.
Staying stuck because of a thought is the real problem.
Most limits begin inside the mind before life actually stops us.
The door may still be open, but we close it in our head first.
Starting early is great, of course.
But starting now is still powerful.
So today, don't listen only to the voice that says, you are late.
Listen, repeat, and practice these lines, like someone who is ready to begin.
I am not too late to start again.
I do not need to compare my beginning with someone else's progress.
A few years of practice can change my whole direction.
I can be a beginner and still move forward.
Feeling late does not mean I have failed.
The best time to start was earlier, but the next best time is now.
I do not need to be perfect before I begin.
Every expert was once awkward at the start.
I will not close the door in my own mind.
I can learn new skills at any stage of life.
starting small is better than waiting forever.
My progress may be slow, but it still matters.
I can build confidence by taking one step today.
I will not let fear pretend to be logic.
It is never too late to become better.
Well done. You completed today's Shadowcast lesson.
Do not try to memorize every sentence.
Just listen again. Repeat out loud and let the words become natural.
Learning takes time, but every repeat makes you stronger.
Even one small practice today can change your future.
So keep going, even if you are starting late.
Late is still better than never.
See you in the next lesson.